This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about sandwich and burger trays, specifically these biotech open trays. They come in 4 colors: black, white, craft, and newsprint, and they measure 8.5 inches long by 6 inches deep and 3.5 inches high, giving you, as you can see, a nice open space that's perfect for filling with lots of delicious food. They're made from a sturdy, high-quality paper, and they're easy to use. You just pop open when needed, and they're also easy to dispose of since the paper is recyclable. And as you can see, it's just a matter of pulling them open at the corners. Give it a little press down in the middle if you need to, and I like to give the 2 alternate corners a little squish just so you have a nice, sharp, clean presentation. But you can see it just takes a second to pop those open and they're ready to go, which is a fantastic option if you're running a busy food truck or establishment. The sturdy bases can support heavy meals while containing messes and spills. They're perfect for both hot and cold foods. You can use them for things like burgers and fries, hot dogs, sandwich meals, hot pretzels and dip, nachos, tacos, burritos, barbecue, and more. They're great for a variety of food establishments, sandwich and sub shops, cafes, fast casual, especially those with outdoor dining, and food trucks and stalls.